Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Viewers, in this video we talk about how to earn from Snack Video app. I am also going to share with you the rules in 22. Let's start. Do you know to use Snack Video to make money and get fame? Here are some rules you must follow before starting earning or creating videos. Yes, I am talking about Snack Video earning rules and publishing guidelines. Follow these rules and get positive result from Snack Video app. This article will help you to find earning rules and guidelines for posting video on Snack Videos. There are many important rules in the Snack Video app for earning money and posting videos, but which is important and should be followed. Here is the full detail of rules and guidelines for earning money on Snack Video. If you think your account is suspended due to a violation and that's why you are not getting any money from Snack Video, then read this important article and get to know about your videos are not getting views. Also, I will explain why Snack Video delete or private your video. Let's start. Snack Video earning rules. These are some basic rules to earn money from Snack Video, but don't forget to read the detail below. I have explained many things about Snack app in this article. To use Snack Video, you should follow these rules. Number 1, your account should be verified with a phone number. Number 2, you must follow the community guidelines. Number 3, turn on account protection and earn money. Number 4, invite friends and get many rewards. Number 5, sponsorship is allowed on this app. You can earn. Number 6, watching videos can help you to make coins. Number 7 and last one, inviting all friends to help you in also an option. These are some rules and ways to make money on the Snack Video app. Follow these tricks to earn money more and get details below. Snack Video earning process. Here is the explained earning process for making money on this platform. Just read the process and trick to start earning money. If you are looking for details of coins and earning money, then skip to the content below. Creator rewards. This is the main feature that you can help to the create videos and earn money on this app. If you are a creator of this app, then use this feature to create videos. Your video will get monetized and you will get rewards. Creator reward is another feature by Snack Video that lets you monetize your video and earn money from making videos. If your video gets monetized with creator reward, then you will get cash on views of that video. You can simply join the creator reward after uploading 5 videos on Snack app. Inviting friends through binding code. Everyone on the Snack Video has a binding code and will be able to earn through this binding code. This is also called an invitation code and you can use this code to confirm an invitation. If you have made any successful invite, then you will get about rupees 500 per invite. Ask your friend to install Snack Video from Google Play Store. Create the account on their mobile and ask them to start or use your bind code in their profile. You can follow the tutorial guide above. You and your friends both will get money rewards. Now we talk about the earn coins to PKR. This is another best option for earning money on this app. You can make about crores of coins daily on this app. Just follow the steps to earn coin. After making coins, you can convert them to PKR the next morning. Number 1, invite friends on Snack app to get coins. Number 2, follow and like videos to make coins. Number 3, daily check-ins can also give your coins. Number 4 and last one, watch videos and earn coins. Now you can check the table below to know about coins and PKR, how many coins you will get for the watching the videos and what is the coins exchange rate. Coins 50 PKR 0.01, coins 5000 PKR 1, coins 50,000 PKR 10 rupees and coins 500,000 PKR 10 is equal to, you need to crores of coins to make thousand of PKR. Don't worry, it's not difficult. You can invite friends or complete task challenges to make more coins. Now we talk about the snack family or salary sheet. If you are a good creator and want to join snack video for a salary, then check the registration form and join any snack family to get a monthly salary. Check the salary sheet below. It is based on the number of followers on your other apps. Like number of followers is equal to fixed salary. 1 to 5k $3, 1 to 5k $3, 5 to 50k $50, 50k to 100k $80, 100 to 300k $100, and 3 to 500k is equal to $130. If you have the number of followers 500 to 1 million, then $150, 1 million to 2 million, $200, 2 to 3 million, $300, 3 to 5 million, 500 and 5 million plus to desire. Apply to join any family or register yourself as a creator by filling the form. Only the original creator will be approved for this salary. So this is the best chance to earn money, some extra money. Last update I can share with you: Nose bugs fix in version 3.73.503. Speed and experience boosted, change in interface, new feature. This app was uploaded on humblytricks.com since July 29 and 21 year. Latest update contains many few feature and changes in the app version 3.73.505, which is released on August 26. Download and update the app to enjoy updated experience. I hope guys this video will help you. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe and like. If you want to share any suggestion for my channel, you can post on comment section. Take care. Allah Hafiz.